Okay, it's vertical video time for all you live leakers. Right across the street from my house. You don't see that every day. So actually, for a tree guy, that's pretty freaking rad. Woo! Oh my gosh, I'm not even watching where I'm filming for you guys. Wow, dude, look at that freaking machine flopping all over the place. There ain't no way. There ain't no way I would do that job. Look at this guy's head's hanging out. Sorry, a lot to pay attention to. Dude, look at his helicopter is going all over the place. Got a big old huge saw. The fact that I can even be standing here is crazy. Look at that. Boom! Dude, that guy's rocking all over the place. What? Get away from that, dude. Dude, he's literally right over my head just about. You can forget it. Oh my gosh. That is freaking rad. That is rad. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. Like literally over my head. Sorry, y'all. That is enough to make it. Man, that is the closest. Well, first time I've ever seen that. And obviously the closest. Okay, I figured I would show it to you. You guys take it easy. My son was way down there. Did you get safely away, buddy? Did you get safely away? All right. Say bye.